Hi all. Today we are going to discuss about fraction. Okay, let's see what is fraction. You all hear this word, right? Fraction regularly. Let's see today what is the definition of fraction and how we are representing a fraction and types of fraction. And today I am going to teach you fraction in easy way. The types of fraction you will not forget. Okay, let's go. What is the definition of fraction means? A part of a whole. A part of a whole. Actually, here you can see the figure. Actually, just this part I was taking out. From you all like pizza, right? So from that, if you are taking out one pizza, any part from whole, if you are taking out, right, that's called fraction. And let's see how to represent the fraction. How to represent the fraction. Okay, there is one circle. In that, if it is like this whole thing, right, this is called whole. In this, I'm making into 4 parts. Okay, only this part was shaded. Only this part was shaded, correct? So the shaded part, how many parts are there totally? 1, 2, 3, 4. Totally 4 parts are there. Out of 4, how many parts were shaded? Only 1 part was shaded, right? So this is called dividing line. This is called numerator. Above the dividing line, that is called numerator. Below the dividing line, number 4 is there, no? That is called denominator. Okay, I hope so this is clear. Types of fraction. Let's see types of fraction. The first one is unit fraction. From this question only you all understood what is the meaning of unit, right? Unit means 1. Correct? Unit fraction. This you can remember like this. Okay. In unit fraction means always the numerator is 1. And denominator may be any number. Okay. Numerator means numerator always 1. That's a unit fraction. Okay. Next is proper fraction. Proper fraction. This also I said easily you can remember. Proper fraction, that is numerator is lesser than denominator. Okay, numerator is lesser than denominator. Next is improper fraction. Improper fraction. You all know what is the meaning of proper. Proper opposite is improper, correct? Proper opposite is improper. So, numerator is greater than denominator. Next is like fraction. Like fraction. Like fraction means same. Just remember 2 words. Same denominator. Unlike means easy. Opposite, right? Like opposite is unlike, right? Same. Unlike fraction means, I hope so you all got the clue. Different denominator. Okay, first one is unit fraction, proper, improper fraction, like fraction, unlike fraction. Then 2 more are there, that is vulgar fraction and decimal fraction. Okay, that I'll explain again. Okay, yeah. Before you all learned about unit fraction, proper, improper fraction, like Unlike, right, next one is vulgar fraction. And one more is decimal fraction. About this vulgar fraction and decimal fraction we will learn in upcoming class. So for that you want to subscribe this channel so that you will get the updates and you will not miss our classes. About this I'll explain in future class.